Hello, it's me again. I thought today we would talk about symptoms of diffuse large B cell lymphoma, specifically non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. One of the first, so I made a list of those and wanted to talk about it a little bit. So the first sign or the first thing that they talk about is swollen lymph nodes. That's, this area up here where you'll sometimes people they'll feel a bump. Mine, they just got a little bit swollen. Fevers of just like low grade 100 degrees, that just kind of keep going. And sometimes you don't even notice it because it's so low grade. You don't even, you might have like a hot flash or something here or there where you're like, you get hot and then it goes away. Night sweats, and they're talking about drenching night sweats that like soak your bed or soak your bedclothes. My night sweats were not quite that severe. I mean, I would wake up sweaty and go take a shower and put on new pajamas, but it wasn't like getting my sheets. But my pillow would get, how your head, it's like little kids when they sleep and they sweat and their head gets all, yeah, it's like that. Weight loss, unexplained weight loss in the past 6 months. And it's usually, for me, I mean, it was drastic, but I was working on it. So I thought, you hear those little noises. So those are my parakeets. I have 4. I apologize. It sounds like we're in the jungle. they're all playing right now. Unexplained weight loss of more than 10% of your body weight. So I lost 50 pounds within 6 months. And I think it was actually like 5 months, maybe it was even 4. It was really fast. And I thought I was just doing really good on my diet. Oops. Okay. Other symptoms is pain in your chest or stomach. And that I had pain in my stomach and my side. And I thought and it was in my kidney region. I thought I had a kidney infection or something, but what it was the cancer had entered my spleen, and that's what was causing that pain. Skin bumps, and I didn't have that, but I had itchy skin, meaning, and it was only at night. Like my legs would feel like I would slather them with lotion, thinking, why are my legs feel so dry or something? They were just itchy. Coughing or breathlessness. Fatigue. Now I had very severe fatigue. I was exhausted. I mean, I would get up and I was exhausted, and it was just unexplainable. I don't even know how to explain being so tired all the time. Easy bruising or bleeding. I've kind of always been easy to bruise. So I didn't really notice so much of that, although, there was probably some. Numbness or tingling in your feet or hands. Now, I had that feeling where I would get the tingling in my feet, but again, I had just been diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, and so my doctor was relating anything that was happening to me to the diabetes, but she didn't run any other tests. Headaches or blurred vision. Now, I've had migraines since I was in my 30s, so I really can't tell if the headaches I had were associated with cancer or just my normal migraines. But I did have, it wasn't blurred vision, I had twice where I almost passed out within like a 2-week time frame and then went into the hospital. So those are the main things that they talk about as being symptoms of this particular cancer. And it's important if you're experiencing these kind of things that you go and see your doctor. I was so shocked. I think, when I went in initially into the emergency room, and the doctor asked me literally 5 questions. One of them was, have I lost any weight lately? And I said I had, and how much? He's like, okay. And then he asked about the night sweats, and I was like, in my mind, I was like, how does he know about that? Yes, I've had night sweats. Um, and then he asked about, pain in my side. And I had originally was going in because of the pain in my side and my back. So he knew about that, and coughing and breathlessness. Now, I'm also asthmatic, so I don't put a whole lot of stock in that having happened, because it's sort of the norm for my life during, certain times. It comes up for allergic reactions to things, or if it's really cold outside and I go for a walk, the cold air will actually trigger my breathing to go bad. So those are just some things. So I don't have like a huge long video for you today. Just wanted to give you the few, basic bullet points on these kind of things. If you have any questions, please put them in the, put a question in the what do they call that? The question section, or the comments. Sorry, I'm new to this. In the comments below, I will read those and I will respond if you have any questions. Yeah, so I thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps somebody. My aim for this part of the channel, I know that eventually I'll be doing something else. I mean, cancer isn't my whole life, but I do think that this is an important thing for people to learn about and to know about, and it might just save somebody's life. And that's my hope, is that by doing this channel, somebody will see and they will say, oh, that sounds like what I've been going through, or so-and-so has been talking about they're not feeling good this way. Just if it prompts you to send somebody to go and see a doctor, or if it prompts you to go see your doctor, then I have helped somebody, and that's my goal. My goal is really to help somebody if they're facing this type of situation as well. So have a great evening. Bye.